Hello there guys, what is going on? And in this tutorial we are going to talk about command types. Okay, so let me just write it down somewhere here. Just so command types. Okay, so we are going to talk about command types. Now, the thing you need to know, the thing you need to take away from this tutorial is that there are 4 types of commands. The first type is called executables, if I spell that correctly, which is short for executable programs. Okay, so those are programs that are written in a programming language and you use them as a command. Okay, the second type of command is a command built into the shell itself, also known as shell built-in, because it's built into the shell itself, so it's called shell built-in. The third type of command, and let me write it here, is a shell function, and that's basically, and I'll abbreviate it as shell func. Basically, this is a miniature shell script, and we are going to touch upon shell scripts, but shell scripts are basically just commands written in a file. Okay, so these are just like miniature shell scripts, and again, shell scripts are commands written in a file. So basically you have small, sorry, not small, but a relatively few number of commands written in a written in some file, and that's a shell function. Okay, but again, we don't really focus on that one that much. And then we have aliases. And those are basically not pseudonyms, but pseudonyms would imply, that you're trying to hide something. But those are actually other names for commands. So basically, those are commands which we define ourselves, which are composed of other existing commands. Okay, and we are going to talk more about that in one of the following tutorials. Okay. So just remember these 4 command types. I think you can Google command types Linux and you can get this list. So I don't think it's really that important for you to really understand them by heart. But, just for you to have the context, just for you to, have heard about this somewhere, I think that's a good point to strive towards. Okay. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And I said this in a very low tone. I'm not really sure why. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.